Welcome all of you. I would be grateful if you could lend your ears for my next topic, that is Laplace transformation. So Laplace transformation, what is the definition of a Laplace transformation? Let f of t be a given function and defined for all positive values. This function is defined for all positive values of t. Then the Laplace transformation of f of t is denoted by L of f of t. L means Laplace transformation of f of t or f of s is defined by the definition Laplace transformation of f of t, which is equal to f of s, is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. So this is how the Laplace transform is defined. The formula is integral 0 to t e power minus st f of t into dt. So in Laplace transformation there are some elementary functions. So most important elementary functions, based on that we'll solve so many problems. The first one is Laplace transformation of 1 is equal to, see here, Laplace transformation of 1 is equal to 1 by s, and Laplace transformation of t power n is equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1. And see, the Laplace transformation of e power at is equal to 1 by s minus a. And if you see, Laplace transformation of sin at is equal to a by s square plus a square. If it's a trigonometric function, it will be plus. Then similarly, Laplace transformation of cos at is equal to, for cos you remember s will come in the numerator and again s square plus a square. If you see these two trigonometric equations, for sine a will come front and for cos s will come in the numerator, and both s square plus a square are common, and plus for trigonometric functions. And the next formula is Laplace transformation of sin h at is equal to, for sine always a will be in the numerator and s square minus a square, minus for hyperbolic function. For trigonometric function it is plus. That is the only difference you have to note. And for cos h at is equal to, for cos it will be s square minus a square for hyperbolic functions. And further, Laplace transformation of t square is equal to, if I keep n is equal to 2, I'll get t square. So it will be 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1. So this is equal to 2 by s cube. And for that is t cube, if I keep n equal to 3, I'll get the formula is 3 factorial by s power 3 plus 1. What is 3 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3, which is nothing but 6 by s power 4. These are all the basic elementary functions, the most important functions which we have to remember. Depending upon this formula, we'll solve so many problems. So once again I am telling you, Laplace transformation of 1 is equal to 1 by s. This you have to practice. Laplace transformation of 1 is equal to 1 by s, and Laplace transformation of t power n is equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1, and Laplace transformation of e power at is equal to 1 by s minus a. See here, Laplace transformation of sin at is equal to, for sine always the numerator will be a and the denominator is s square plus a square here for trigonometric function, and see for hyperbolic function it is minus. Don't get confused. For hyperbola it is minus and for trigonometric functions it is plus. Sine always the numerator here and here also it is a. And Laplace transformation of cos at, cos always the numerator is s, even here is s, and for hyperbolic function is also s. And for trigonometric it is s by s square plus a square, and for hyperbolic function it is s by s square minus a square. And further, Laplace transformation of t square is equal to how much? So in this formula, if we keep n is equal to 2, it will be 2 factorial by s cube. If I keep n equal to 3, I'll get Laplace transformation of t cube as 3 factorial by s power 3 plus 1. Similarly, I can calculate Laplace transformation of t power 4, t power 5 and so on. These are the most important things. So which you have to make a note of it, so that I'll solve so many problems depending upon this. So please make a note of this, and I'll solve a few problems for you to understand. So it is very clear, Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 by s, and immediately if anybody asks about Laplace transformation of e power at, it is 1 by s minus a. Take your own time, practice, and the next I'll solve few problems for you depending upon this. So this is how we have to solve. Examples are, find the Laplace transformation of, first one, the question is Laplace transformation of e power 2t plus 4t cube minus 2 sin 3t plus 3 cos 3t. So this is the problem given. It will be in your textbooks also. See here, L means Laplace transformation. The solution I have to find out. So I have to split each and every term here. That is Laplace transformation of 2t plus 4, it's constant, I am leaving out, and Laplace transformation of t cube minus 2, it's constant, Laplace transformation of sin 3t plus 3, it's a constant here, and again Laplace transformation of cos 3t. I am giving Laplace to each and every term. For Laplace transformation, I have shown you so many problems. So here Laplace transformation of e power at, where a is equal to, here a is equal to what it is? 1. So Laplace transformation of e power at, if you remember, what is the formula here? I am showing Laplace transformation of e power at is equal to 1 by s minus a. Here a is equal to how much it is? Here a is equal to 2. So in this formula, I'll write the Laplace transformation of e power at. If it's 2 here, I have to write 1 by s minus 2. So I'm writing 1 by s minus 2 plus 4 times of, what is the Laplace transformation of t cube? So t cube means this is the formula. In this formula, if I keep n is equal to 3, what it will be? 3 factorial by s power 3 plus 1. So here this is 3 factorial by s power 3 plus 1 minus 2 times of, what is this? Laplace transformation of sin 80. So what is sin 80 formula? See here, if you see, Laplace transformation of sin 80 is nothing but a by s square plus a square. So a by s square plus a square. What is a here? A is equal to 3. That is a by s square plus a square plus 3 times of Laplace transformation of cos 3t. What is Laplace transformation of cos 80? S by s square plus a square. In this formula I have to substitute. Here a is equal to 3. For cos, s will come in the numerator, and this is s square plus 3 square. So the solution is 1 by s minus 2 plus 4 into, what is 3 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 by s power 4 minus 2 3 is a 6 by s square plus 9 plus 3 into s by s square plus 9. So the solution is 1 by s minus 2 plus 6 4s are, it is 24 s power 4 minus 6 times of s square plus 9 plus 3s by s square plus 9. So this is how we have to solve. So if you know all the formulas, you can immediately write down and you can solve. So the next problem is, if we solve Laplace transformation of e power at minus 1 by a. See, I'll solve this. Here a is a constant. Solution, 1 by a I have to take, and Laplace transformation of e power at minus 1. So 1 by a I have to leave like that. This is Laplace transformation of e power at minus Laplace transformation of 1. So what is Laplace transformation of e power at? So what is Laplace transformation of e power at, it is 1 by 1 minus a. Remember, 1 by s minus a. What is the a value here? Minus a minus. What is Laplace transformation of 1? See here, Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 by s. I am writing 1 by s. Here 1 by a times of s minus of minus, it is plus a minus 1 by s. So 1 by a if I take as common, so here if I take s into s plus a as LCM, there is a cross multiplication, that is s minus s plus a. So 1 by a times of s minus a by s into s plus a. Minuses pluses got cancelled and a also got cancelled. The answer is minus 1 by s into s plus a. So this is how I have solved. It is very easy if you know the formulas. 1 by a I took as common, and Laplace transformation of e power minus at minus 1. For that I have split the Laplace transformation to each term. Laplace transformation of e power minus at minus Laplace transformation of 1. This is 1 by s minus a. In place of a I have minus a. Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 by s. So 1 by a times of 1 by s plus a minus 1 by s. If I take s into s and s plus a as LCM, then it will be s minus s plus a. If I cancel all the terms, then it is minus 1 by s into s plus a is the answer we got. So here, for your convenience, I am doing the next problem, that is Laplace transformation of, see here, Laplace transformation of t square plus 1 whole square. So t square plus 1 whole square. So what is a plus b whole square? See here, the Laplace transformation of a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Laplace transformation of t power 4 plus 1 plus 2t square. I have to give Laplace transformation to each and every term. Laplace transformation of 1 plus 2 times of Laplace transformation of t square. So what is the Laplace transformation of t power n? So if you see, Laplace transformation of t power n is n factorial by s power n plus 1. Here n is equal to 4. Here n is equal to 4. The formula is n factorial by s power n plus 1. Therefore n factorial by s power n plus 1 by plus, what is Laplace transformation of 1? Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 by s plus 2 times of, what is Laplace transformation of t square? We have this formula. For t square we have to keep n is equal to 2. That is 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1. 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1. This is how we have to solve. What is 4 factorial? It is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 by s power 5 plus 1 by s. This is 2. 1 into 2. 2 factorial is 1 into 2 into s square plus 1. 2 3 6 6 4s 24 by s power 5 plus 1 by s by 4 by s cube. So this is the answer we got after solving. So this is that easy if you know all the formulas. The next problem is Laplace transformation of sin t plus cos t whole square. See, sin t plus cos t whole square. Again square formula, that is Laplace transformation of a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. As you all know, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 and it is trigonometric identity, and this is 2 sin t into cos t. As you all know that 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. I'll split the Laplace transformation to each and every term, that is Laplace transformation of 1 and Laplace transformation of 2t. Then what is Laplace transformation of 1? So if you see once again, Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 by s. So this is 1 by s plus what is Laplace transformation of 2t? Generally the Laplace transformation of sin at is a by s square plus a square. Here a is equal to, what is the value of a? It is 2. In place of a I have to write 2, that is 2 by 2 square, 2 by s square plus 2 square. That is a by s square plus 2 square. The answer is 1 by s plus 2 by s square plus 4 is the answer. So this is very easy. If you see once again, sin t plus cos t whole square, it is of the form a plus b whole square, then a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. So sin square theta plus cos square theta or sin square t plus cos square t is 1, and 2 sin t cos t is equal to sin 2t. So we have to split the Laplace transform to each and every term, that is Laplace transformation of 1 plus Laplace transformation of sin 2t. So Laplace transformation of 1 is nothing but 1 by s plus the Laplace transformation of sin at is a by s square plus a square, that is 2 by s square plus 2 square, that is 2 by s square plus 4 is the answer. And if you see this problem, that is s square plus a square, so it will be very easy if you get all the problems. That is Laplace transformation of cos square hyperbolic function of 2t. That is how we have to write this. The solution is Laplace transformation of, what is the formula of cos square? 2t, hyperbolic function of 2t, then 1 plus cos h 4t by 2. So this is the formula. 1 by 2 I have to take as common, and 1 plus cos h 4t, that is half times of Laplace transformation of 1, half is for both, and Laplace transformation of cos h 4t. So then what is Laplace transformation of 1? Again, Laplace transformation of 1 is 1 by s. I have to write 1 by s here. And what is the hyperbolic function? So if you see, I've said you Laplace transformation of cos h at is equal to s by s square minus a square. That is s by s square minus a square. If you see, a is equal to 4 here. So 1 by 2 times of 1 by s plus s by s square plus 16 is the answer. So the solution we got after substituting each and every elementary function. So this is most important, repeatedly asked question. Laplace transformation of sine of omega t plus alpha. What is omega t plus alpha? If you see, if you consider this is a and this is b, it is of the form a plus b. In this solution, sine of a plus b is nothing but sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So in this, what is the question asked? Sine of omega t plus alpha. What is sine a? This is a and this is b. This is sine omega t cos alpha plus cos omega t into sine alpha. I have to take Laplace transformation. Instead of doing this, I will do this. So what is the Laplace transformation? So it is a transformation here. I have to transform this form omega t, whereas cos alpha is a constant. So cos alpha I am keeping out, and Laplace transformation of sine omega t. Here alpha, sine alpha is a constant, and I have to calculate the Laplace transformation of cos omega t. See here, if you see sine omega t, what is sine at? So I said you the sine at is nothing but a by s square plus a square. Sine at is equal to a by s square plus a square. Here a is equal to omega by s square plus omega square plus sine alpha. What is cos at? Cos, always s will get in the numerator, s by s square plus a square. So I am writing s by s square plus, what is a here? Quotient of t is omega, therefore omega square. So this is cos alpha omega by s square plus omega square plus this is sin alpha into s by s square plus omega square. If I take s square plus omega square as an LCM, then omega cos alpha plus s into sin alpha. So this is the solution we got after substituting. So the final question, this is of next model. This is of next model, if you see carefully. So this is also very easy. Each and every model, in each and every model I am solving one question for you. So this is, if you see question, Laplace transformation of sin 2t into cos t. So what is the solution for that? What is the solution for that? So in order to put it in a formula, I have to multiply and divide with 2. 2 times of sin 2t into cos t. Half I am keeping out, and this is 2 sin 2t into cos t. So what we have to do, we have a formula for this, that is 2 sin a into cos b is equal to sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. So this is the formula you have to remember. So here it is a and it is b. This is a and this is b. This is Laplace transformation. That is half times of Laplace transformation of sin of, what is a plus b? That is 2t plus t. And sin of a minus b, that is 2t minus t. That is Laplace transformation of 2t plus t is nothing but 3t. 2t minus t is t. That is half times of Laplace transformation of 3t plus half times of Laplace transformation of t. As you all know, there is a formula for sin at. Again, sin at is equal to a by s square plus a square. So that is half times of a by, what is a here? The quotient of t is a, s square plus t square plus half times of, what is a here? 1 by s square plus 1. So half times of 3 by s square plus 9 plus half times of 1 by s square plus 1. If I take 2 as common, that is 3 by s square plus 9 plus 1 by s square plus 1. So this is how we have to solve all the problems. So I would like to thank you for taking time out to listen to me. So this is the most important topic. This is new topic that I am going slow. In my next videos, I will post all the new formula and how to solve. So there are few topics in this Laplace transformation. I will be posting all the videos. Keep watching. And if you like my video, please subscribe, share it to your friends. Thank you.